So cool.
I know.
Holy crap, that's like little and then cool at the same time. It's like mini.
Marissa, when you're done, you gotta email me that, okay?
That's so cool.
This is so fucking cool. Oh my god, look at it.
I want to like run towards it, like find the end, like where it's touching and stuff. I don't like touching go under. Look,
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Yeah, relax.
I like it.
Oh my god, isn't that beautiful?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That is so cool.
Wow, that is awesome.
We're recording the tornado!
Holy shit.
6:15. 7:15.
That is so cool.
It's going away. Get inside. Now. Everybody's like, we're recording the tornado.
Oh, it's turning smaller and smaller. Yeah, watch it get
Bye bye.
That was so cool. The second time